Shri Sairam. Welcome dear students. Today we will learn about 6th standard mathematics integers. Let us begin highlights of this chapter. Here, introduction part. What is natural number? Which are the natural numbers? And what is whole number? Which are the whole numbers? Then integers. What are integers? Which are the integers? Integers numbers. And which are the positive integers? And also which are the negative integers? Then representation of integers on a number line. How to represent the integers on a number line, right? Then compare the integers. Then addition and subtraction of integers on a number line. Introduction part. Natural numbers. The natural numbers are those are used to counting system, right? Here the natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. They are the numbers from 1 to infinite. They are the numbers from 1 to infinite. The natural numbers are represented by the capital letter N. It is written as N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Then the whole numbers. Here natural numbers are start from 1 to infinite. Here when 0 is included with natural numbers, we get a whole numbers. It is represented by, the whole numbers are represented by symbol, the capital letter W. Then it is written as W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Integers. Integers. The integers is the collection of the natural numbers and their opposites and 0. The collection of natural numbers and their opposite means the negative numbers with included 0. Then the integer is represented or denoted by the symbol capital letter Z. It is written as Z is equal to, we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers, right? Up to infinity, plus infinity. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to minus infinity. The integers are natural numbers. These are natural numbers and their opposites included 0, whole number. Got it? Then in this integer the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are said to be a positive integers. These are positive integers. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are said to be a negative integers, right? This one are negative integers. In our daily life, where do you use the integers? For example, the weight loss of 5 kg, that is minus 5 kg. The weight loss 5 kg. Loss means negative. And the 450 rupees deposit into account. 450 rupees deposit into account means positive. Deposit is a positive integer, right? The integer is never in the form of the decimal, and also fraction. The integers is never in the form of the decimal and also fraction. The integers is exact number, natural number, opposite numbers, minus, minus 1, minus 2, so on, and also include with 0. Then see, natural numbers start from 1 to infinite, and all numbers include with 0, right? And also integer. The integer include with natural number, whole number, and also negative numbers. Then the representation of integers on a number line. How to represent the integers on a number line? The figure shows. Draw a line. Mark some integers number on a line with same distance. Right? Here 0 is a neither positive number or negative number. That is neutral number, 0. When we start from 0, we move right side. These are called positive integers. When we start from 0, we move left side. These are negative integers. I take some examples. Example 1. Represent the number plus 5 on a number line. First, we draw a line. Mark integers on the line. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. And minus 1 negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right? Then, in order to mark plus 5, in a number line, we move 5 points. 5 steps. Right? We start from, in a number line, we start from 0. Right? 5 points. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Plus 5. In order to mark plus 5 on the number line, we move 5 points to the right of the 0. Right of the 0. Then I take another example. Represent the number minus 3. Minus 3 on a number line. First, we draw a line. Mark integers on a number line. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. And also negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right? Here, minus 3. In order to mark minus 3 in a number line, we move 3 points to the left of the 0. Right? We start from 0. 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. Right? Then, take another example. By looking at the number line, which integers lies between minus 8 and minus 2? Which is the largest integer and also which is the smallest integer among them? Here, lies between, the integers lies between minus 8 and minus 2. First, we draw a line. Mark points on a number line. Here, minus 8 and minus 2. These are the negative integers. Negative integers where from? Left side. We start from 0, we move left side. Right? Here -8 and also -2. Both are negative integers. The integers lies between -8 and which are -7, -6, -5, -4 and also -3. The integers between the -2 and -8 are these are. Right? And also the integer, which is the largest integer, when we move left side, the value goes to smaller. When we move right side, the value is greater. Right? The integers -3 is the largest integer. -3. Here, -3 is the largest integer. And also, the integer -7 is the smallest integer. Right? Then, another example. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20. 4 negative integers greater than -20. See, -20 greater than -20, which are, we go left side, you move left side, the values automatically decreases. Right? The negative integers greater than -20 are this one: -19, -18, -17, -16, -15, -14. Right? These are the greater than -20. See, -20, -19, which is greater? -19 is greater. -20, -18, which is greater? -80 greater. 18. And also -17 also greater. -16 greater. -15. So, these are the negative integers of greater than -20. Right? Then, compare the integers. We see that the number line, the number is increases. The number is increases. We move to the right side. Right? We start from 0. The number is increases. We move to right side. We move to right side. These positive integers. These are negative integers. The number is increases. We move to the right side, and decreases. We move to the left side. Here, -5, -4. Which is greater? -4 is greater. -4, -3. Which is greater? -3 is greater. -3, -2. Which is greater? -2 is greater. -2, -3. Which is greater? -1 is greater. So, 0 and 1. Which is greater? We move right side. The values, the number is increases. 0 and 1. Which is greater? 1 is greater. Right? And 1 and 2. Which is greater? 2 is greater. And 2 and 3. Which is greater? 3 is greater. 3 and 4. Which one is greater? 4 is greater number. And also 4 and 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. And also 5 and 6. Which number is greater? The number 6 is greater. Because we move right of the 0. The value is increases. We move left from the 0. The value is decreases. right? Then I saw some examples. Compare the following pairs of numbers using less or greater. Compare two integers, 0 and -8. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Already know. In a number line, we start from 0, right? We move left side from the 0, the number is here -8, right? We move left side from the 0, the number -8 is decreases, a smaller, right? Here 0 and -8, which is greater? 0 and -8, the 0 is greater number. Then -1 and -5, which one is greater? You already know, -1, -15, both are the negative integers, right? Same, 0, -11 here, and also -15 here. Which one is greater? We move left side from the 0, the value is decreases. So -11 is greater number, right? -11 greater than -15. I take another example. -20 plus 2. 0. -20. Here, negative integer. -20 is negative integer. Plus 2 is a positive integer. Which one is greater? We move left side from the 0, the values decreases. Right side from the 0, the value plus 2 is increases, right? Plus 2 is greater number, -2 is small number. The -20 is less than plus 2, right? The -20 is less than plus 2. Assignment questions. Represent the number -6 on a number line. Then write all the integers between -4 and +4. Okay. Then write 4 integers less than -10. 4 integers less than. Then which is the greater? Which one is greater? Compare the integers. Okay. I hope everyone understand. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.